everyone, it's Desiree, and no, you're not seeing things. Yes, this is another video for today, and I am still featuring Scrappy Tails. Today, I will be working with the Slimline Snowflake cover plate. Now, what I'm showing you here is we have a cover plate. It's open. It's got all of these images on it. Now, there's going to be a lot of sparkle, shine, glitter, mirror, and everything else going on because every layer is either a shimmer paper, glimmer paper, or mirror paper. Yeah, we had fun. When you see this cover plate, die cut it twice from two different cardstocks. That's what I did here. I die cut it from a light blue glitter, and I also die cut it from a white iridescent glitter. But turn it. The images will not lay on top of each other. And you'll get this almost like a reflection of the two images coming through. Now you can certainly stop here. Now this is definitely a slimline, yes. And this slimline measures 4 by 9. Okay, the cover plate, when die cut, measures 3.5 by 8.5. So if you like that size better, it would just go from edge to edge. But you could also dig into your scraps of those specialty papers. I know we hoard them. Let them go. Let them go. Think of it this way. If you let them go, you have room. You can buy more. It's how I look at it. But cut out the images that you've die cut and layer on top of the top die cut layer that you have. So you've taken the entire cover plate and you've die cut it twice. You're going to take one of them and you're going to flip it up on itself. And again, this works, of course, when it's open, when you have these types of images to work with. But then adding these other die cuts from the same cover plate die, it looks like they're popping out. It looks like they're coming from underneath that frame, or that frame captured them within that area. So you can have a lot of fun and just play around with your colors. Have a small pair of scissors so that you can snip along the edges and just add the different textures. You could add some solid cardstock if you wanted to within this. I chose the mirror, the satin mirror, the glitters, and the shimmers. So you could really have some fun just adding the different colors. I'm going to add this dark blue to this one that's just in the center where it's connected to one of the other larger snowflakes. I do apologize for my voice. I think I'm forever going to have a cold, so I apologize. I'm trying to talk as much as I can, but you will find for this segment when I did these videos, you're going to have a lot of music in some, because my voice just absolutely dies in the center of some of my videos. So it's fun. So I do apologize. Again, just cutting along the lines or creating my own lines when it comes to the snowflakes. And you can see by doing this, you're getting so much texture, so many layers. Yes, it's another way to collage. For those of you that have been here, you know I love to collage. But it's an easy way to stretch this die. You just don't have to use it as a single layer on your card. You can keep adding to it. Now, I'm going to be adding some gems, and the gems that I am using, Scrappy Tails has embellishments now, which are absolutely awesome. But these two were actually part of the Christmas kit that was recently launched. But again, like I said in the video that you saw earlier, there are a couple tins that she has, red, gold, and green. And the other one's all shades of blue, and there's 8 in there, and I believe you get 1 free, so a total of 9. But I'm loving the way that she mixes things up when it comes to her packs. The gems are different sizes, the pearls are different sizes. There's snowflakes, there's stars, there's confetti. So you get a really nice mix. Once I have that all blinged up even more, I'm going to put this on my Slimline card base, which is 4x9. And that's our card. We don't need a sentiment. This is great for any occasion that happens in the winter. Time doesn't just have to be for the holidays. You know, I always pick and choose. A lot of times I'm not putting a sentiment out on the front. I don't want to cover up what we spent so much time working on. But I do hope you enjoy this project. I hope I gave you some ideas and tips and tricks for the dies that you may currently already have. Or maybe you've ordered this one and it's just another way to use it. The products that I used will be listed down below in the video description. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below. I am so sorry, my voice is about to go here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, make sure you hit the bell. Hopefully YouTube will let you know when the next video is live, but we are getting closer to the holidays and we all know what that means. Des goes crazy and shows almost a video every single day. So get ready, wait till you see what we have planned. It's kind of cool, I'm kind of impressed, but I hope you all will enjoy it. As well as enjoying the art that you create. Have fun, don't get stressed. Enjoy it. Try something new. Try something different. But whatever it is, know that it's art and it's yours. But always remember what's most important. Always be creative, guys. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.